Hi, I'm Quo. 20 years in high tech. If hard work fixed life, I'd be a billionaire. But here's the real upgrade. Tiny shifts change everything. Let AI do the heavy lifting. You handle what scares you. That's how you build a life you love. Late at night, you wonder, am I really ahead or just keeping up? You see the AI boom. You hear the fear. Will AI replace me? But what we're really afraid of isn't AI. It's how fast things are changing. The next big upgrade isn't just in tech, it's in us. Tech never waits, it updates. We hesitate. So why run tomorrow on yesterday's settings? AI isn't just smart, it's a mirror, and what it reflects is how much of our stress is self-made. You're not too busy. You're too attached to tasks that don't matter. What if, instead of drowning in details, you let AI cut through the noise? That's where AI changes everything. In Quo Talk, we're not just talking about AI tools. We're talking about the courage to face what you don't know. Next time you face a long to-do list, drop it into ChatGPT. Ask, what's the 20% here that will drive 80% of my results? In seconds, you get clarity and focus on what really matters. Fuse your vision with AI's power. That's not lazy, that's strategy. You don't outpace fear by running, you outgrow it by learning. The next time you feel left behind, ask yourself, what am I finally ready to learn? Learn what you fear. Recode who you are.